What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually just going to show you kind of what I've been working on this morning. I haven't recorded anything else, so I just kind of want to show you my plan, my route for Quality Prints USA. I'm not done yet with this. I don't think I ever will be done with this. I'm probably always going to expand on what I'm putting here, but I just want to show you where I'm at. If you can give me any advice, let me know. So I'm going to start with this. So this is Quality Prints USA. We're a printing company. What we sell are stickers, decals, and merchandise. These are all usually separate, but I'm going to add them to my website shortly. Shortly meaning in the next year, implementing all of them, but I am currently doing decals on my website. So where we sell currently is TikTok, Instagram, my website, Amazon, eBay, Faire, and Walmart. And then I'm going to probably go under here and then list off what else, because I sell in Walmart, but it's my lowest priority. So I need to prioritize, say, what are my priorities? Where we should sell next, Wayfair, boutiques, hotels, hospitals, gift shops in general, and then off-road websites and patriotic websites. And because I know the patriotic site works and off-roads do as well. And I just sold to a hospital. I do have safety autism stickers that I sold to a hospital, and they're interested in also getting more stuff done. And so I'm working on that. I want to, so, and then as I did that, I'm learning how to use platforms like this. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong, but I'm basically kind of connecting, okay, if I'm selling to Wayfair, what am I going to sell? If I'm selling to boutiques, what am I going to sell? And then etc. You can see that I'm putting that all here. And then how do I get a hold of them is I'm going to email them or call them or go to their website and check it out and see what I can do, get some information, and then probably do the call or email. So this is currently what I have right now. I hope you guys, let me know what you think, really. And this is just a start of, I just need to start breaking down my website or my business and seeing where I can go with it and see if there's, how I can expand and be able to visualize it. So let's get back to the video, and yeah, see you guys in a bit.